Well, welcome back. We are on kitchen countertop install day. So these guys are all gonna get countertops, and of course most of our cabinets are in. We're missing a couple of glass door cabinets. They were on back order, so they have to come back and put that in, but everything else is in. So our countertops are gonna go in. We're doing a full backsplash back here of quartz, and so they're gonna have to come back and do that later because I can't do that until we get our vent hood in, and that is being specially crafted right now and manufactured. So super excited. So let's see how this turns out today. Oh, and let me show you. We have our light fixture installed. They just have to put the bottom on it. But y'all, doesn't that look amazing? Super excited about that. We got the floor resanded again. So our appliances are coming in about a week and a half. Once we get our appliances in, we can stain the floor because otherwise it's gonna get all scratched up. So that's kind of where we're at right now. And let's see how this countertop install goes today. I can't wait to see it. All right, so I went to Sherwin-Williams, got a couple of different stains. I used my BFF, ChatGPT, to help me out because, well, this is hard. Making all these decisions. So I just told it what colors I'm doing in the kitchen and walls, and these are the choices it gave me as being good options. So here's what we had. So this is like natural with 10% special walnut added in. This is, what was that? English oak. And then this is cottage oak. This is immediately out because that's completely too yellow. So this is the winner to me out of these three. So now I just got to decide. I don't want the floors to be too dark because when the floors are too dark, it shows everything. So a medium tone is kind of what I'm going for, and I feel like it hits the mark. So I think that's what I'm gonna go with. I'm just trying to determine if I wanna make it a little bit darker or not, or if I wanna add anything to it to make it still kind of looks a little bit yellow to me. So I'm gonna put it in some other rooms, just in a small little spot so the contractor doesn't kill me, and just see what I think. If it reads yellow, should I add a little bit more walnut or maybe a little teeny bit of gray to offset? So we'll see. All right guys, so the countertop people just left, and this is what we have so far. I love it. We just went with crisp white quartz countertops, the little gray veining in it. I think it looks amazing. Put the sink in. We just went with a white porcelain sink. I have the faucet, but our contractor has to put that in. I just need to get a garbage disposal for the sink. And over here, This is where our double oven's gonna go. Our appliances are coming in a couple weeks. Kept this little nook because I thought it would be a great coffee nook or put your toaster, that kind of stuff. Refrigerator here, counter deck. And then over here, if you remember, we took out the desk and we made this just all one height now. So it just gives you extra counter space, great for entertaining, to put food along or just use however you want. And then again, we're waiting on those upper cabinets. So we did just the 4-inch standard backsplash on this side, but over here, we're doing the full backsplash all the way up to the upper cabinets. But we can't do that yet until we got these countertops in. And then we have to wait for the vent hood to come in. I have that on special order, so once the vent hood gets in, they'll measure for the backsplash, that quartz backsplash. But so far it looks awesome. I love how it all turned out. We got our new light fixture in here. We do have a slight hole in the ceiling from a previous leak, but that has been fixed. New toilet was installed upstairs. So now our next steps to finishing the kitchen, besides the backsplash and getting the appliances, we're moving this guy right here. This was our old light fixture over the island. We made the island bigger, so that needs to be recentered. So I'm gonna recenter that. I have that island light fixture that's gonna go in. And then we're gonna move this light fixture up to the ceiling. And I haven't quite decided what I wanna do there. If I just wanna do a simple kind of shaded fixture that will match and pull in this, or if I wanna do a green fixture to kind of tie in the green. I don't know. What do you think I should do? And this is we moved the microwave to over here because the microwave was there. And now we put it over here in the island, so I'm excited about that. I think that would be a nice change. Anyways, that is the update on our Aiken house flip. Thanks for joining, and click and subscribe to follow along for all the other lovely decisions. We're wrapping it up finally. I can see the light at the end of the tunnel. So if you want to see it all finished up, make sure you like and subscribe. Remember, the more you know, the more you grow. See you next time.